the Maggi. First, I have one onion in cutting. This onion is cutting. Onion cutting in small pieces. In cutting to small pieces. And next one is in green chili. Into green chili in small pieces. In this side, cutting. Next one is this is beans. This is rest of the part of the beans, small pieces. In the next part of the Maggi, part of the cooking to Maggi. Coming, I show you. In oil, cutting to barley. Next process is tarkari hacking. Put the tarkari in oil. You see this? In onion is golden color, and water is put the barley, salt, chili powder, Maggi masala डालेंगे. Mix well. Maggi is put the this masala gravy. Last one process in coriander leaf. This is cocumberry soup and mix well. This is output of the Maggi. Finally, eat the Maggi. Very tasty and spicy. And this is A4 sheet, and this is correct size in half. This is line, and this open the paper, and this one, this side, this is fold, and this one side, this is fold. This is rocket. Kaisa rocket? I know. English में but. And this is line. This line is correct for the no. And this one line. This line, and this and this is middle line, and this one, this is half, half side. This side is fold. This side is fold, and this is half side, and half side, this is folding, and this rocket is full height in top in sky. Okay, this is sky. And this one, this is this line, this arm, and this folding correct line. And this is folding to front side, and front side, and correct line. This is folding the rocket. This folding the rocket, this is rocket, this rocket, and and this one, this side is folding. You fold this side. Okay. this side fold, and this is this line. This line is fold, and this line is correct size folding. You fold and this and another side. Another side you both of you this folding in you. Is correct line is folding. You know, this rocket is get ready. The rocket is rocket ready and going to outside. It is which height? You know, I show this. Come on. You see this sky and this rocket which height? You know, see this.